Hello, I'm Steve, this is Bit of Munch, and this is the second in my series of frozen microwave roast dinner reviews. And this time I've got chicken dinner from Sainsbury's, $2.25. Now, a few things about this series. I do realise that in meals like this, if you remove the roast potatoes, the Yorkshire pudding, if it's got one, and air fry them, they would turn out better. I realise that, okay? But I'm not doing it. So that all these reviews are consistent, I'm just going to microwave the whole thing. Also, I'm not doing chilled reviews in this series. I'm only doing frozen ones, so that we can. It's better to compare them that way, isn't it? We'll get a better comparison, I think, anyway. Fair comparison. Right, now this one contains a whole chicken breast. Not sliced meat, a whole chicken breast. And that makes up 20% of this meal. So that's a good sign, hopefully. Hopefully, he says, fingers crossed. Right, relatively healthy meal. You've got 3 greens and 1 amber there for the traffic light system. The amber is the salt. You can cook it in the oven. It takes 45 minutes. As I said, I'm not going to do any of these in the oven. Again, I realise they would probably turn out better in the oven, but I'm just going to microwave the whole lot. Okay, you got that? Right, how long is it taking the microwave? 11.5 minutes. Blimey, that's a long time. 7.5 minutes. Oh, you have to remove the stuffing ball. And after 7.5 minutes, stir the gravy, add the stuffing ball and recover. So let's have a look. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, there we go. So, peas, carrots, gravy, Yorkshire pudding, not Yorkshire pudding, stuffing ball and roast potatoes. And the chicken breast must be hidden under there somewhere. I guess that's just the very edge of it. Okay, what else can I tell you about this? I don't think I can tell you much, really. No, nothing really that unusual in the ingredients. Yeah, I'm going to try and do a roast dinner from all the major supermarkets. I'm going to try to anyway. There's no Waitrose in my town, so can't do that. And there's no big Tesco, but I'm hoping the little Tesco. Well, there's actually 3 little Tescos, and 2 of them are very close to me. So I'll try them. Hopefully they'll do one of the frozen roast dinners. Right, here we go. I will see you in approximately 11.5 minutes, or a split second. One thing I didn't tell you, the weight of this thing, 400 grams. Right, here we go. And there is plenty of meat with this. There really is. I cut the chicken breast in half and I've sliced half of it. So there's the other half. So you've got twice as much as what's on my fork there. So there is loads of meat with this, loads of it. It smells really good. Another thing that strikes me though is doesn't seem to be quite enough potatoes, but there is quite a lot of gravy. I have high hopes for this, I really do. I hope it tastes as good as I'm expecting. Okay, let's try a potato first. Oh, that seems a bit hard. Okay. Oh, blimey. Oh. I had to spit that out. It was rock hard. But they all like it. Yep, that one is. Oh, hang on. Oh dear. That one seems to be alright. Right, that one's no good. Okay, let's just try this one. This is going to be the same. Not quite as rock hard, but really quite unpleasant. Yeah. Perhaps if I soak them in the gravy, they might be alright. You never know. Oh dear. What did I say? I said I had high hopes for it, didn't I? Okay. I'm giving them a good old soak in this gravy. And then when I've tried the other bits, I'll try one of the potatoes. Okay. Right. Let's try a bit of carrot. There's some big bits of carrot in here. And here's, well, look at that. It's enormous. Nothing wrong with that at all. And the gravy's really nice. Okay, peas. Lovely peas. This stuffing ball, honestly, it's probably, what, 2 bites big? I'll have little bites. That's nice. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, let's try the meat. That is a lovely bit of chicken. Just the right texture. It tastes like chicken. Might sound strange, but some chicken doesn't. That does. Right, have these potatoes got any better once they've been soaked in gravy? This is the big question. Yes, they have, but you shouldn't have to do that, should you? You shouldn't have to soak them in gravy to make them edible. Right, nothing wrong with the stuffing, nothing wrong with the chicken. Chicken's really nice. Peas and carrots are good. Good tasting gravy, well seasoned and all that. Not very good potatoes. Oh dear, what a shame. Right, let's have a little bit of everything. If I can bite one of these potatoes in half. I'm sorry about that. I can't bite it. I just can't. Oh dear, dear, dear. Okay, Sainsbury's, you need to sort your spuds out. As I said, the rest of it is absolutely fine. It's a good meal. If that had good potatoes, that would be an absolute winner for £2.25. But because the potatoes are virtually inedible, yeah, that destroys it for me. It really does. Okay, well, it looks like I'm going to be eating a chicken dinner meal without any potatoes. Never mind. Never mind. We live and learn, don't we? You don't know till you try. Right. Thanks for watching that one. I wonder what the next one will be. By the way, feel free to recommend a chilled microwave roast dinner, because I'll take that on board. Well, hopefully I will, but I won't be doing chilled meals in this series, just to remind you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.